Good morning, students. Today I'm going to take classes on taxonomy, and taxonomy is considered to be somewhat difficult as well as it's very wider topic of biology. So let's make it easier, and I'm going to start with the foundations of the taxonomy. Taxonomy itself can be classified or splitted into two, that is taxus and nomos. Taxus means arrangement and nomos means law. It is a study of theory, principles, procedures, and rules of the classification of living and extinct organisms. It encompasses the rules for constructing classification and the theoretical foundations on which classifications is based. It was first proposed in 1813 in its French form taxonomy by Professor A.P. de Candolle for the theoretical study of plant classification. So simply taxonomy refers to the study of the theory, principles, procedures, and the rules that are very important in the classification of living as well as extinct organisms. And also certain rules should be followed for this classification. And the theoretical foundations for this classification is involved or included in the taxonomy. And the taxonomy was first, or taxonomical classification was first proposed in 1830 in its French form by Professor A.P. de Candolle for the theoretical study of plant classification. Taxonomy was initially based on morphological and anatomical features. In the second half of 20th century, it took quantum leaps and fast strides and adopted a systematic approach based on the data and information provided by other branches of biological science such as cytology, genetics, molecular biology, biochemistry, and so on. Consequently, several branches of taxonomy emerged, such as cytotaxonomy, chemotaxonomy, molecular taxonomy, numerical taxonomy, etc. That was initially the taxonomy was based on the external features as well as the internal features of the plants, that is the morphological as well as anatomical characteristics. By the second half of the 20th century, the information that is provided by the other branches of biological science such as cytology, genetics, molecular biology, biochemistry are also involved, and consequently there was an arising of several branches of taxonomy has been emerged, like cytotaxonomy, chemotaxonomy, molecular taxonomy, numerical taxonomy, like several specified branches have been emerged. So this was all about the foundations of the taxonomy, and later on in the further classes we can learn or we can start about the basis of taxonomy. Thank you.